Hello, today we are going to talk about Tesla's complete polyphase AC system of production, transmission, utilization, and distribution in a miniature scale to show the impact of Tesla's technology to the world we know today. Let's start from the beginning, and I'm going to explain this system and mention some original parts that I incorporated into our actual exhibit item. So here we have a pressure gauge original from the Westinghouse. These are original American and Canadian flags that were actually active at that time. And why American and Canadian? Because in the United States the polyphase system was implemented as a result of approval for first hydroelectric plant in 1895, and then 10 years after, at 1905, first hydroelectric plant, Rankin hydroelectric plant, was implemented in Canada using Tesla's polyphase system. So from the pressure gauge, first of all, my system is designed to use either pressure or fluids or other gases, but for the purpose of clean and a portable way of doing things, I think the best way is to go with the pressure compressed air. So the pressure would come, compressed air will come here in a Tesla's turbine. This is a Tesla turbine with it has 5 discs inside, and this is a 3-phase generator. 3 phases going through here into the step up to single phase transformer, and then we have a transmission lines going. Transmission lines are going also to utilization and distribution to, let's say, we have electric trains, then we have street lighting, and then we have an industry type. So we have here one of the very rare small induction motors from that era. We have shown how the industry works, the total hours spent, volts, and stuff like that. So from here we have 3 phase of 12 volts to single phase of 120 volts going down, and then it was stepped up here and then stepped down over here to 12 volts again, single phase, 12 volts feeding the street lighting, and 120 volts AC that was stepped up previously, feeding the industry motors. And also we have a small transmitter on both poles. So these 12 volt transformers will transform 120 volts into 12 volts to feed these lights, miniature lights, actually original from the Westinghouse company, that are installed on a light pole for detailed work presentation. Here, I don't know how it's clear because it has reflection. This is a list from original plate of Niagara Fals Power Company and Westinghouse Electric Manufacturing Company, with all the Tesla patents that were used and a couple other patents that we used from other people in the first hydroelectric plant. So now we are going to actually try the system. Bear in mind that I don't have a compressor here at home because it's very loud, and it would be too cumbersome and big to keep at home. So I have a port that tests other parts of the system, except the turbine. Turbine's been well tested and done, but I'll show how the rest of the system works in this case. So let's start the system. So as you see, the lights come on. That's the gauge. The actual train, I stationed it It works. It was lifted off the track, so it stands, but it works. Then we have miniature lights working. 120 volts is going up, down, being step down to 12 volts here and here. And then we are going to put this motor in works. So we have a miniature induction motor in works. I have lifted off the actual belt because for that belt I have to do one small modification and that will be finalized very soon. So let's see how that looks on this side. Let's see. Well, so here we can see the gears on our meter working. Currently is only at almost 85 volts. This is the variable transformer that I can regulate from 0 to 120. We don't need to go full scale at all, as it works fine in lower volts. Thanks for watching.